I think I got into biking just because it's my calling, you know. I grew up skiing and riding bicycles and stuff, and then when I discovered that you could ride something and not have to pedal it, I think that was a big, you know, something that I just always had to have. And I started mowing lawns when I was about 7 or 8 years old, just so I could buy a motorcycle.
Well, the dirt bike is anaerobic, it's more like skiing, and it works your whole body. It's like skiing non-stop moguls out here on the track with no lift rides with weights in your arms, like that, for 20, 30, 40 minutes at a time.
I usually try and ride at least 4 to 5 days a week. You got to be in top physical condition to do this. You know, most people think you just twist the throttle and go. It's not that at all. It's all about balance, and you have to have a lot of upper body strength to maneuver the bike and work the bike around. It's pretty intense, and it's fun. You know, once you get into it, you get addicted.
The club is really great because, you know, you can come out and anybody out here will help you. The camaraderie is very high between the riders, and I think that's kind of something else that draws you to the sport.
The skill orientation of the sport, you know, that it is so challenging and it is physically demanding, make it really rewarding. That's why people do it, and it's really fun.
I get a lot of satisfaction out of riding. I think it's just a really good athletic way to get some energy out and some aggression out, you know, maybe sometimes.
The High Altitude Sports Riders Club is just about people that are passionate about riding dirt bikes. It's cool, everybody's real supportive, and it's really fun atmosphere.
For more information about riding in Grand County, check out our website, highaltitudemotocross.com.